Complete the next question. Select the correct option and write it in the comments. Subscribe to keep learning more maths with us. Have you considered how to solve this kind of problems? Did you know? More than 91% fails or make mistakes. At the end of the video, I explain the steps to find the answer. Look at the formula. Let's see the next example. We will study the solution step by step. First step. Second step. Third step. Fourth step. Therefore, the correct answer is the option B. Take a screenshot to save the solution. If you share this video, others will learn mathematics. And that's it. We're done. On this channel you can learn mathematics every day. Improve your math skills with us. See you until next time.